Okay, guys, let's do question number 12, please. Let's do that question. Okay, let's do question number 12. Let me just copy it and paste it here. Number 12 is on the textbook. Let's do this one. Okay, let's do number 12. You got this one on number 12. Okay, this one is right here. Is question number 12. Let's try to do it. So they ask you to find the volume for this one such that E is a region lined above, line below the plane XY, Z equal to X, and above. This is below, this is above of the rectangular with the region that's like this, okay? Okay, first things we have Z is equal to X. Z is equal to X. And then you have the origin, then Z is between X and 0, okay? So now we have a triangular, okay? You have a triangular here, and go here, we have Y and we have X, and you have 0. Okay, at X equals 0, we have Z equal to pi, because of here, no, Y equal to pi because of here, and Y equal to 0, we have X equal to pi because of this one, okay? Okay, now we have to find the variation of Y, and Y, if you check the Y is the straight line. You have AX plus, it's linear line, you have AX plus Y, and 8 is a slope, okay? And now to find the slope here, you have to find 2 points, this one and 0 and this one. This one is another point on the y-axis, and this one is the x-axis. Find the 2 points. You have a 0 minus pi divided by x, and pi minus 0, and then you end up having negative pi over pi, and this one is negative 1, okay? Y is negative x plus b. So now if x equals 0, you have y. If x equals 0, so you have y equal 0 plus b, which is pi, because if y equals 0, we have pi equal y equal pi, and then b equal pi. So then for the equation, we looks negative x plus pi, okay? That's what the equation we was trying to find. So now we can raise it and replace a and b by this value. So we have a negative x plus pi, okay? We have this one now. So now you can tell now y is between 0 and pi negative x. That's the variation of y, okay? Now let's find the variation of x. And you can tell here, you can tell easily from here. You know x is between, then x is between 0 and pi. Okay, then you can tell x is the last one. So to find the volume for this one now, okay, let me erase here so I can have some space to explain to you. Let me erase here. Make sure you take notes, or you can move down the video so you can stop and take down. Okay, here you have found the volume for this one. The region E is the sine of y and dv, and this one is just yeah, if you have to find the integration for this one, triple integration for this one, you have to write down the triple integration and stop and write down sine, and now stop, and now you have here check here, you have a z is between 0 to x, and y is between pi to x. It doesn't matter, either one can come both, no, can come first or last, can come first or second, okay? But the variation of x, the dx have to be the last, okay? Then for I will have a 0 and pi just for the x, and then the next one, either one will work, 0 and pi over x and 0 of x, then dz, dy, and dx. And then here I can have, okay, you know how to calculate. I don't have time, just calculate those and then you should be good. Move this one outside. You have sine y and integration of 0x, dz and dy, and then dx. So here you will have integration of pi, integration of 0 pi negative x, and here you have x sine y, okay, and then you have a dy of dx, okay, and so on and keep going. So if you check here, you can tell, you just keep moving and you get the answer you want. So just let me do one step and then I may stop. And here is the variation of y, and then you can move the x and you have 0 pi negative x, and you have the sine of y, and you have a dy, okay, and you have a dx, and then you can keep moving, keep going like this, and you have x here, and here you have a negative cos y and going to 0 pi negative x, and you have a dx, and now here you have 0 pi, and here you will have x, and you have a negative cosine pi negative x, and you have a plus 1 and dx, and so on and so on, and keep finish the work. Your work, okay, it's easy to finish it. Okay, let me do the next one. The next one is, let's do just number 14. Okay, let's do number 14 on the textbook, question number 14. Okay, let's try to do question number 14. On question number 14 you have this one, okay, copy here, and then I will have this, and I have this one, okay. So on question number 14 I have this one. So question number 14 is this one. Okay, do the same thing. You have a z is between this one, then z is between 0 and x plus y, and then you can check the x and y, and you know x is let me check here. Okay, here, so here you have x, y equal to x squared, and x equal to y squared. Either way will work. You can put both sides, square root both sides the second one. You have x squared. If you square root both sides this one, okay, you will have x squared equal to y to the fourth, and x squared here is just a y, and then now from here you can find the y. Now it's y to the fourth minus y equal to 0, y factored by y to the third minus y equal, no, minus 1 equal to 0. So you will have y equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So now you can tell the variation of y is between 0 and 1. Okay, you can tell this one should be the last one. So now here I have y. Now let's find the variation of x. If you check the variation of x, the second one, this one, the second one is x is equal to square root of y because it's positive, and then the x also is this one, x is equal to y squared. So which one should be, okay, which one is the top? You may be confused, but if you think about yeah, which one should come the first or last, you may think about this. You can if you want, you can just, okay, let me bring it back. You can just think about, if x is 0, y is 0, x is 0, y is 0, but if y equal to 1, okay, if y equal to 2, for example, 2, okay, 2 is a good one. If y equal to 2, you have square root of 2, and here you have 4, then this one have to come first. Got it? So then x is between, okay, then x is between y squared and here is square root of y. That's it. That's the variation. That's all we need. So here you can find now the volume for this one. For that shape, it's just a triple integration of x, y, and now this one will come last, right? And this one will come first. The 0 and x plus y, z will come first. The second one is dy, and the last one is dx. The last one is dx, I repeat. So then here the second one is 0 and 1. It doesn't matter, dx or dy, either one will work, but dz has to come first, and then you can keep going. Okay, you can solve it now. It's easy. Thank you guys.